Welcome to the cool side of TorqueLine. We're gonna fix my truck. This is my 1991 Ford F-150 and we're gonna be working on it today. Oh, we need to bleed the brakes, replace some sensors, and probably clean it up because it's a mess. Well, let's get started. First try. I'll put that right there. So first we are going to bleed the brakes. And I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna put Weston underneath the truck and I'm gonna sit inside the truck and pump the brakes. Okay.
Yeah, push the brakes and hold it, don't release them.
So just push all the way to the floor?
As far as you can. Keep holding, keep holding. Okay, release. I push again, hold. Okay, release.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go to the other side.
Is it?
We fixed it.
Brakes are all fixed. They're working great now. Hopefully I'm in frame. So now we have to replace the engine coolant sensor.
Got it. So now the bottom one. Now just kind of push it up and over out of the way. Yep.
My sensor's down there, right there. So I'm gonna replace that sensor.
Got it. Did you get it, babe?
No, you did.
So, yep, right there. We're gonna pop that sensor off. So we need the 1-inch socket. I just had it. It's gonna be tight for opening up the buster enough. There you go. There you go. Now, once it gets loose enough, you'll be able to plug it with your fingers.
You think it's now?
I'm probably not. Okay, it's probably.
Uh-oh.
Yep, that's it.
First try. I'm really good at this.
You go for it. Still hot.
Yeah, really hot.
Here, don't do it if it's too hot. So now you're just gonna pop it off.
No, I'm not. Well, I need to grab the old one.
Oh, is it still there? Yeah,
Can you give me the pliers? Okay, girl. Oh, why am I so bad at this?
There you go, got the old one.
I should probably never fix cars ever again.
No, you're gonna be new face of TorqueLine.
Yeah. Okay, let me see.
But let me. Booyah. Wow, what do you have to say?
That was easy.
You're a pro mechanic now?
Probably not. Just.
That's probably fine. Yeah, that's good. Good job, babe.
Where's the screw?
I don't know, I lost it.
So we got everything done, but we're gonna go wash it now. But the back is full of wood, so we gotta take the wood out so we can go through the car wash. I thought I hit something.
Just go flip around and then back up.
I'm a seatbelt wearer. I wear my seatbelt. We will see you at the car wash. Yeah, I'm scared of car washes.
Yeah, see if there's any leaks.
That's so loud.
I smell foam.
Very strongly. I pushed it back.
It's been cleaned like since we've got it.
We haven't cleaned it, no. I guess it hasn't been because the guy just kind of let it sit there.
Alright, let's clean it.
Oh, hey. Akin. Who put my phone right there? Okay,
All clean.
all keen. Okay, so that's going to be it for the video today because we are headed out of town for a week. Sorry it's short, but we will be back next week with a long video of fixing up the Mustang again. So stay tuned, please.